Hello students, up till now we have already seen two different methods to solve a quadratic equation. Today we'll start with another method and that is the completing square. Completing square method. But today we'll deal only with some expressions. Now, what is an expression? To understand this concept, let us just consider this. Suppose I have x square plus 6x. Now see that I am not equating it to anything. That means I am not showing the result x square plus 6x is equal to what? So this becomes an expression. Then what is an equation? So suppose I write like this, x square plus 6x is equal to 5. That means I am showing a result. X square plus 6x is equal to what? Then it becomes an equation. So let us come to completing square of an expression. So to understand this concept, let us take a simple example. Suppose I have got x plus 3 the whole square. Now you have already studied the expansion. So if you expand x plus 3 the whole square, you will get x square plus 6x plus 9, isn't it? Now, let us think in the opposite manner. Suppose I had the expression x square plus 6x and I want to make the complete square of this expression. That means suppose I want to write this expression in the form x plus a the whole square plus ab. So obviously now I know that I have to add 9 x square plus 6x. So to make complete square I will add 9 and to balance I will subtract 9. Okay. Now see this 9 I can write it as 6 upon 2 the whole square. Now why I am writing this as 6 upon 2 the whole square? Because in this expression 6 is the x coefficient. That means if I divide the x coefficient by 2 and square it, and whatever number I get, if I add it to the expression becomes a complete square. Now see here, this is x square means I will write the square root x here. Last term is 9, so I will write the square root 3 here. And I will only write the sign of the middle term plus here. So this bracket is x plus 3 the whole square and minus 9. So keep this in mind. To make a complete square, I will take the x coefficient, divide it by 2 and square it. So whatever number I get, I will add it to the expression and subtract it from the expression. So let us see some problems on this. So let us come to the first problem here. So write in the form x plus a the whole square plus b. So take the problem x square plus 12x. So as I discussed just now, I will take the x coefficient, divided by 2 and square it. That will be 12 upon 2 the whole square. So 6 square, that is 36. So make the complete square of this expression. I'll add 36 here. And since I'm adding 36, to balance, I'll subtract 36 outside the bracket. Now this bracket has become a complete square. So how to write the complete square? First term is x square, so it's square root x I'll write here. Last term is 36, so it's square root I will write 6 here. And only the sign of the middle term. So x plus 6 the whole square minus 36. Are the steps okay with you? That means in this case, a will be 6 and b will be negative 36. Let us take one more problem. X square minus 7x. I want to make the complete square of this expression and write it in the form x plus a the whole square plus b. So here, take the x coefficient, divide it by 2 and square it. So x coefficient is 7. 7 divided by 2 square, that is 49 upon 4. So to make complete square of this expression, I will add 49 upon 4, and to balance, I'll subtract 49 upon 4. That means the bracket has become a perfect square, complete square. So first term is x square, so write x here. Last term 49 upon 4, that is the square of 7 upon 2. And only write the sign of the middle term. See that I will not consider the whole middle term, but only the sign. So minus sign here. So this is the square of x minus 7 upon 2 minus 49 upon 4. That means a is negative 7 upon 2 and b is negative 49 upon 4. Okay. So are the steps okay with you? Let us see some more problems here. So consider this one. Suppose 3x square minus 12x. Now up till now whatever the expressions we had considered, the x square coefficient was 1. But if the x square coefficient is not 1, then what to do? So take that x square coefficient common and make x square coefficient 1 inside the bracket. Okay, since I taken 3 common, x square coefficient has become 1 inside the bracket. And now you consider the x coefficient divided by 2 and square it. So x coefficient is 4 divided by 2 and square it. 4 upon 2 is 2, 2 square is 4. That means inside the bracket I will add 4 to make complete square. But here be careful. Many times the student make the mistake to just subtract 4 outside. But no, you are adding 4 inside the bracket. There is 3 outside the bracket. So effectively you have added 3 4s are 12. So you will subtract 12, not 4. Okay. So this has become the complete square of what? x, 4 means 2 here, and the sign of the middle term. So x minus 2 the whole square minus 12. Okay, so if you want to write it in the form a into x minus h the whole square plus k, then in this case a is equal to 3, h is equal to 2, and k is equal to minus 12. Okay, then take one more problem here. Suppose 2x square minus 8x plus 7. I want it to write in the form a into x minus h the whole square plus k. So, in this case, what I'll do is, I will take x square and x terms together and take the x square coefficient common. So here you will get x square, this will be 4x, and plus 7, keep it outside the bracket. Okay, only take the x square and x term together and take x square coefficient common. Now, take the usual steps, take x coefficient divided by 2 and square it. So x coefficient is 4, 4 divided by 2 the whole square, which is again equal to 4. So inside the bracket, I'll add 4 here. Now, inside the bracket you have added 4 means effectively, how much you have added? 4 2s are 8. Outside the bracket there is 2. So 4 2s are 8. So to balance, I'll subtract 8 here. So the bracket has become a perfect square. So x square means write x here, 4 means write 2 here, and only take the sign of the middle term. So x minus 2 the whole square, and 7 minus 8 is negative 1. That means in this case, a is equal to 2, h is equal to 2, and k is negative 1. Okay, so whenever x square term has a coefficient, first take it common and then make the complete square by considering x coefficient divided by 2 and square it. Okay, so I wish these steps are okay with you. I am giving some problems for practice. So first example, here write in the form x plus a the whole square plus b. So first problem, x square minus 9x. Problem B, x square plus 14x. C, x square plus 11x. And D, x square minus 20x. And in the second case, write in the form a into x minus h the whole square plus k. So first problem, 3x square minus 12x plus 5, b 4x square plus 12x minus 11. So just try this problem for homework, and next class we'll see using this completing square method how to solve some of the quadratic equations. Wish the steps are okay with you. Revise them. See you in the next class. Enjoy the day. Bye.